I think it's caught on her nail.
She's clawed it, dude. Oh my god. Dude, it's on her paw. She like this.
What's wrong with her?
Oh my god.
Oh, she loves Christmas.
Lily.
There you go.